How to download NetMirror app on Android, safe and official method. Are you trying to download the NetMirror app on your Android phone? Let me walk you through the safe and official method step by step. Step 1. Open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Step 2. In the search bar, type NetMirror and tap Search. Step 3. If NetMirror is officially available, you will see it in the results. Tap Install, wait for the download to complete, and then tap Open to start using the app. Step 4. If you don't find NetMirror on the Play Store, that means it is not officially available in your country or for your device. In this case, do not download it from third-party websites or random APK stores. Why? Because apps from unofficial sources can contain viruses, spyware, or hidden trackers that may steal your personal data, banking information, or even harm your phone. Step 5. Instead of taking that risk, use official and safe alternatives. You can download apps like Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, or Disney Plus directly from the Play Store. These are trusted platforms that give you high-quality movies and shows without putting your phone or personal data at risk. Step 6. Always remember this rule. If an app is not available on the Play Store, don't install it from unknown websites. Stick to official apps to keep your device and personal information safe. And that's it. You now know how to safely download NetMirror on Android and what to do if it's not available. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more easy tutorials.